Meet the future of Google's smartphone innovation, the Pixel 10 Pro. Designed with precision and power in mind, this device isn't just an upgrade, it's a new standard. The Pixel 10 Pro features a stunning 6.3-inch AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, pushing brightness up to an impressive 3000 nits for perfect visibility even in harsh sunlight. It's protected with tough, durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2, offering advanced drop and scratch resistance. At its core is the brand-new Tensor G5 chipset, engineered for lightning-fast performance and AI-enhanced intelligence, making everything from multitasking to machine learning faster and smarter. Camera lovers will be thrilled by the dual 48-megapixel lenses, one ultra-wide, one telephoto, giving you incredible detail and versatility in every shot. Backed by 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, this phone handles anything you throw at it with ease. Running on the all-new Android 16, it feels more refined, more personal, and more powerful than ever. The 4,870 mAh battery is built to last all day and charges even faster now with improved fast charging support. Available in bold new colors like Moonstone, Porcelain, Obsidian, and Jade, the Pixel 10 Pro not only performs like a flagship, but looks like one too. And if you're waiting for something bigger, the Pixel 10 Pro XL offers an even larger display experience. Launching in August 2025 and starting at $999, the Pixel 10 Pro is ready to redefine what a smartphone can do.